with the corporate presentations, may I first invite Mr. Biswajit Sutradhar, National Sales Head, Passive Networking Business, Polycab, to address the audience. Mr. Biswajit possesses a rich industry experience of 20 plus years with a successful track record of establishing products like CyberRoam, D-Link, Blackbox across India and SAARC countries. Over to you, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome all of you on this platform. We are really privileged to have all of you on board. And definitely a warm, thanks to One India also that made this platform available for us. And this is really a wonderful platform. What I see, a lot of partners are there. My name is Biswajit. I'll not take much of your time. We'll directly, get into introduction modes, what Polycab is, how the partnership of Polycab can, help each other to take the business to the next level. So Polycab is one of the leading brands in the Indian soil, where we have done a lot of success stories in terms of different vertical business altogether. So let me just share you a couple of input from Polycab, what we are. Then we'll take you through what is our partnership proposal, how we can engage each other to get engage each other to jointly open up the different opportunities lying in the markets, and how we can help each other. So the journey which we started in the year of 1964, you can see we are well old in terms of OEM is concerned. And if you see, there are a lot of milestones which you have achieved over a period of say if you say 1964 we have started, 2014 we have our own OFC plant in Halol. Going forward, 2018 we have launched our vertical called Polycab Telecom, again which is included EPC also, which is a very good buzzword right now. If you see in the Indian market, how the infrastructures are gaining, and there are a lot of infrastructure happening. We see a lot of innovative from the governments also to have large project which we called as a EPC projects. 2018 we got enlisted into BSES NSEs. 2020 we have seen there is a synergy required, where a partners, where a customer required a platform where you combine data and power. Today power is a need, but data is a essential for us also. In a 24 hours a day, if you think, we wake up, first we go and check our Facebooks and LinkedIn's. So you need a data, right? So to get that data, you need a connectivities. To get that connectivity, you need a power. So friends, I would really like all of you to help us to help you, where you can go and talk to your customers. Yes, we are here to synergize your data and power from a single brand. It's called Polycab, which is around more than 50 years of rich experience, delivering success, delivering technologies, designing to the Indian grounds. Going forward, our turnover success, we are on average 9,000 crore turnovers in the market today, including all the verticals. Pan India, huge distribution and dealer networks in terms of our electrical domain is concerned. We have got 25 branches across the country to serving the nation. Quality is one of our main concern. We have very strict in terms of qualifying the right products, right quality products to the customers, so that the partners, the distributors who are taking us to the customers, they give a right product to the right customers. In terms of passive is concerned, you can see we have got all the certification like CE, we are BCC member, EL, and RDSO approved product also. Even we are one of the vendor which is BSNL approved brands. ranges, if you see, we have got all ranges kind of cables which is available in the market to get you connect, maybe in a data or in powers. So we have got all ranges of cables in our in-house productions to get you connect. As I repeatedly say, you want to get connected on power, yes, we are there. You want to get connected on data, we are there. These are the verticals, I would say, or industries where we have got a very good, strong presence in terms of different case studies, and we have delivered different complex solutions on those verticals. So you can see the verticals which we are, starting from power, governments, metals, infra, IT park, smart cities, anything, we are there. I'd like to proudly show you that slides. This is one of our plant, which is in Halol, where in one room, one roof, we manufacture all our product line in starting from your copper to fiber. I believe in one room, one roof, we manufacture all our product line, which is starting from copper, fiber, or electrical other product lines as well. So this is one of our very good strength, when you go and do a partnership with us, we would, you'd be not dependent on something else, You name anything, here we can give you. This is the different plant we have in Rourkela, Nasik, of a different line of product line. So we are well settled, established in terms of our own manufacturing products are there. So partnership is, really worth, as we can take you to the next level with the help of our strength. Couple of, in wires and cables industries, figures and norms which we talk. This would be the advantage for joining us in terms of when you go and talk to a partnership with us. So the first one is the customers. If you talk about any verticals, any domain, any ticket size, it might be some crores to multiple crores or 100, 200 crores, we are here. We have done executions, we have done designs, those kind of customers. So I would say the bigger customers with us, we made to order. Suppose you have a customers, which has got a specific requirement which needs a customization. I would really proudly would like to say, don't say no to the customers. You come back. You come back to us with your requirements. I'm sure our design team, our entire back-end team would help you to design the products as per the customer requirements. So you don't need to say no to the customers. So that we say, we are made to orders. Availability, yes. Since we are spread across the country, we have got around 20 plus warehouses spread across the country, starting from maybe east to west, north to south. So your availability will not be a challenge. Supply chain, absolutely. We have got a very rich, strong, experienced team to manage the supply chain. Because in a passive business, the supply chains takes a very important role. For any other product line, no, you can ship the products by air. 24 hours you will get it. But in passive is not possible. So that is the reason we have got a very strong team, experienced, rich team who can manage your deliveries in terms of your customer expectation and you avoid LD charges. Made to stocks, innovative product line as per the global standards, distribution networks, that is our core strength. Whatever we have done today, whatever we are today, with the help of distributors and partners only. This is our FMEG product line. We are there starting from fan, tube lights, LEDs, everything. These are pan-India networks. Product-wise, our market dynamics. As you say, we are catering to all the bigs of the customers today. This is few of the names which we would like to show you. So friends, on a data perspective, on a passive perspective, suppose you go to any of these big names to go and position passive as a brand, Copper as a brand, Fiverr as a brand, Copper as a solutions. You don't need to go and create that Polycab brand positioning, which has already been there. So that is the reason I would like to request all of you, any of the names, any of the verticals, any of the PSUs, you go and talk about Polycab. You don't need to go and create positioning Polycab, because that customer is already a Polycab customers. So these are the few names which I would like to share with all of you. We have got some more names. Please come back with your vertical needs. I'm sure we'll be able to give you a lot of documents, maybe some references copies, PO copies, installation reports, and all this. Even our power team are on EPC also. Maybe some anything, you come with larger projects in terms of power domain is concerned. There are teams, there are expertise who can handle this. Telecom business, yes, today data is life today. Without data we cannot. The most important for us. And fundamental is, how you can deliver high-speed data. We are uniquely positioned in this market today, where you can have a combined solutions, power and data. Even we have a product line called hybrid cable. If you want to know more out of it up, we have a stall outside where we have got a product line heads. Mr. Srikanth is there. Maybe he will be able to help you to gain more knowledge what is hybrid cable. It is something like a short on a hybrid cable. In a single conduit, you'll be able to deliver power and your data on a single product. So this is one of its unique, which is called as a hybrid cable. Couple of ranges of our product line. All of you are very much expertise on this domain. I don't need to go and teach you that. So this is our copper ranges, OFC ranges, end-to-ends. As I said, we have a stall outside. You can go and touch and fill the product line, finishings. Different types of cables to meet different industry needs, different requirements. Any color combinations, please welcome. OFCs, Fiverr cable, which are talking to you. You have got OFC all ranges, including all accessories, starting your pigtails, OFC patch cords, all available are there. These are all Fiverr, yarns and all. We do have our own plans to manufacture all the entire Fiverr yarns, all these rods, FRP rods, everything in-house. In terms of passive telecom vertical is concerned, this is our target audience. I think you can see we are here on SMEs, we are here on data centers, governments and PSUs, infras, small, large, mid, any kind of infra, you come back, we are there to help you. Your EPC, as I said, EPC is one of the very strong vertical for us. Yes, you come back with your customer needs of EPC as a positioning. We are there to help designs, implementation, supply, and maintenance also. Manufacturing verticals, healthcares, hospitality is a very growing segment today. We see a lot of healthcares coming up. So when you go for any kind of healthcares, hospitalities, you need a data, you need a power. Educations, it's a growing segment again. So when you say EPC on telecom, on your specific territories, your geographies, your target customer verticals, you need anything, talking about smart cities, talking about any small kind of things, anything you come back. We have expertise, even we have got a lot of good case studies which you have done, delivered, designed, implemented, maintaining proudly. Couple of success stories. is these two, Gujarat and Bihar. This is we have proudly have done, and I believe when you meet next time, we should be able to give some more names because there are some projects on rolls. Yes, we design and build IoT-based smart cities, safe cities, fulfilling the smart requirement. We're on the smarter world. So we need connectivities, we need data, we need power. So let's go and join hands partnerships. We believe in partnerships. We believe partners are our strengths. We believe partner can take us to the next level, and our aspiration can be achieved with the help of partners like you, with the help of partners who have expertise onto the local market. You local customers, you local market, you know better than us. You help us take to your customers. We design, we implement, we help you in terms of achieving our business goal. We handle you in terms of designing to deliveries. These are the categories what you have on partnership as a vertical altogether, and this entire partnership approach is very transparent. And I've seen a lot of presentation from the morning on the virtually that we all talk about partnership on virtually, partnership on digitally, which requires a lot of transparency. Partner need lot of transparencies. Partner needs lot of datas where they go and talk to our customers. So our partnership approach is entirely digitals, and please come back. We have got different level of partnership, understanding your needs, understanding your customers' strength, like SI, NISI, gold partner, consultant, VAD. So based on your own requirement, we can suit you to the partnerships. We are led by Mr. Ashish Jain, one of the strong name into this telecom vertical, with the colleague of mine who are in these rooms, Mr. Lalit, Mr. Rahul, and Srikant, and which is supported by our regional team based in all 4 parts of the countries. Thank you, everybody, and thanks again to all the partners who have joined on virtually. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Biswajit, for sharing the vision and roadmap of Polycab.